What is self-discipline?
No idea.
Self-discipline is control yourself and be a good boy. Self-discipline means do by yourself things. 自律是不能犯校规，你也不能在学校的走廊里乱跑，也不能大叫。
我哋自律咧，要自己自律嘅做功課，仲要自己執書包，唔要爸爸媽媽提嘅。
Self-discipline is like to control your anger, and when the teacher's not here, I will be good. 自律係要着整齊校服同埋準時返學。自律係關愛，唔使爸爸提醒，都可以自己幫爸爸做。Self-discipline. We need to line up straight and put your hands in the back. And when you're going home, we had to say goodbye to the teachers.
Self-discipline is self-control and being good without people telling you to.
自律守規係要排隊整齊，同埋要早啲返學。
我覺得自律守規咧係要交齊功課，着整齊嘅校服，同埋尊重別人。
Self-discipline is whenever you want to speak, you have to raise up your hand and don't talk when the teacher's talking.
Self-discipline is good. You should listen to the teachers, and when I am angry, I try to control it.
Self-discipline is like, even if you like hate someone that you really hate or dislike, you still have to like respect them as much as you can, because respecting people is like kind of like a kind thing to do, even if you like hate them, and like you need to like follow like the rules of like probably the public place or like the school. And yeah, self-discipline is really important to people.
Self-discipline is where you keep your hands to yourself and don't say any bad words, control yourself and have good behaviors.
自律守規就係遵守校規，同埋唔使寬幾題你就可以遵守咯。
Self-discipline means following school rules and having good behavior.
Self-discipline is about taking care of yourself and doing your own responsibilities without anyone's help.